Hello students, welcome to maths class. We have already learnt about definition of determinant, properties of determinant, minors and cofactors. Today we will discuss new topic of chapter 4 of NCERT, which is adjoint of a matrix. What is adjoint of a matrix? Adjoint of a matrix is again a matrix. How we get that new matrix? See here. Adjoint always works only for square matrices. Remember this. Adjoint works only for square matrices. So we have to consider a square matrix always. Adjoint of matrix is a matrix obtained by taking transpose of a matrix which is formed by cofactors of elements of given matrix. What I am saying, adjoint of a matrix is again a matrix which is obtained just by taking transpose, of a matrix, which matrix? Which is formed by cofactors of elements of given matrix. Means you have to find cofactors of all elements of the given matrix, and cofactors are represented by capital A. So you have to first form a matrix by using cofactors of all elements of the given matrix. Then we have to take transpose of this matrix and we get adjoint of A. Clear? So what is the adjoint of a matrix? Adjoint of a matrix is a matrix obtained by taking transpose of a matrix which is formed by cofactors of all the elements of given matrix. See here, we have to consider a matrix. Adjoint always works only for square matrices, so we will take a square matrix. Let A is any square matrix of order n, then adjoint of A, which can be written as ADJ, adjoint of A. In this way we can write adjoint of matrix A in short form, is transpose of a matrix formed by cofactors of the matrix A, cofactors of the elements of matrix A, and we get adjoint of A. See here, let A is any matrix of order 3 by 3. Now, in general form, you can write it A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Now we have to find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is a matrix formed by taking transpose of the cofactors of elements of the given matrix A. So we have to write cofactors here. First element is A11 and the cofactor of A11 is denoted by capital A11. Next element is A12, write its cofactor, capital A12. Third element of first row is A13 and the cofactor is capital A13. So we have to form a new matrix of cofactors with entries A11, A12, A13. In the same way A21, A22, A23. This is matrix of cofactors, so I am writing capital A here. Generally elements are represented by small a, but you are making matrix by using cofactors, so I am writing capital A. And generally representation of a matrix is first row, first column A11, A12, A13 in this way. And third row is A31, A32, A33. Now we have to take transpose of this matrix. What we get? Adjoint of A is equal to, first row becomes first column A11, A12, A13. Second row becomes second column A21, A22, A23. Third row becomes third column A31, A32, A33. The matrix formed in this way is known as adjoint of matrix A. Remember, for adjoint of a matrix, you have to write elements in the way capital A11, capital A12, capital A13. Remember this. And you already know that capital Aij is cofactor of element Aij. And if A is any matrix of order n, then adjoint of the matrix, adjoint of A is also a matrix of order n. Remember it. Adjoint of A is also a matrix of order n. The order of adjoint of a matrix A is same as order of A. And capital Aij represent cofactors of the elements of type Aij. I hope it is clear to you. Now we will discuss how we can find adjoint of a given matrix mathematically by taking some examples. Now we will discuss one example based on adjoint of a matrix. In this topic, we will find adjoint of a square matrix of order 2. How we can calculate adjoint of a matrix of order 2. Let us consider a matrix capital A of order 2 with entries A11, A12, A21, A22. We have to find adjoint of given matrix A. For finding the adjoint of a square matrix of order 2, we have a shortcut. There is no need to find cofactors of all the elements of matrix A for a square matrix of order 2. We will find adjoint of given matrix with the help of shortcut. What is this shortcut? See here. For adjoint of given matrix A, we know that adjoint of a matrix is again a matrix and of the same order as the order of A is. Now we have to just interchange the diagonal elements. For writing the answer of adjoint of a matrix A of order 2 by 2, we have to just interchange diagonal elements. When we interchange diagonal elements, we get A22 and A11. Means A11 becomes A22 and A22 becomes A11. Next step. Just change the sign of non-diagonal elements. You have to change sign of non-diagonal elements. Write the elements as it is and just change the sign of non-diagonal elements. Means if A12 is positive here, we have to take negative sign here. A21 is positive, so we have to take negative sign here in adjoint of a matrix capital A. You have to change sign. Clear? In this way, we get adjoint of a matrix of order 2 by 2 directly. We can try some more examples of this topic also. See, let B is any matrix of order 2 by 2 with entries P, Q, R, S. We have to calculate, we have to find adjoint of matrix B. We know that adjoint of a matrix is again a matrix of same order 2 by 2. Now we have to find adjoint of matrix B. Just interchange the diagonal elements. Just interchange diagonal elements. Interchange them. P becomes S and S becomes P. Now change the sign of non-diagonal elements. Q becomes minus Q, R becomes minus R. In this way, we get adjoint of a matrix B. This shortcut is applicable only for a square matrix of order 2. Now, I am going to discuss adjoint of a matrix of order 3 by 3. How we can find adjoint of a matrix of order 3 by 3. We will calculate adjoint of a matrix of order 3 by 3 by using definition. So let us consider a matrix A of order 3 by 3 means having 3 rows and 3 columns with entries 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4. We have to find adjoint of matrix A. We know that definition of adjoint of a matrix A is we have to take transpose of a matrix formed by cofactors of all elements of the matrix A. So, we have to find a matrix which is formed by cofactors of given matrix capital A. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. We have to take transpose of this matrix. So, actually, adjoint of a matrix A is equal to first row becomes first column A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. We have to find this matrix. For finding this matrix, we have to calculate all the terms. Means we have to find cofactors, means capital A11, capital A12, capital A13 of the elements of given matrix capital A. So just start calculating cofactors. First, I am calculating capital A11. Capital A11 is equal to minus 1 to the power sum of the suffixes 1 plus 1 multiplied by minor of the same element, means capital M11. Now see here, sum of the suffixes 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 is even. If sum is even, then we have to take positive sign. So capital A11 is equal to capital M11, which is minor of the element, which belongs to first row and first column. And we know that minor is the determinant of a matrix, which is formed just by deleting first row and first column. Write all other entries as it is and just find the determinant. We get 1 into 4, 4, minus 3, 3 ja 9. We get minus 5 here. So A11 is minus 5. Means we get our first entry, the value of capital A11 is minus 5. Now we have to calculate A12. In the same way, calculate A12. A12 is equal to M12, but we have to take sign positive or negative according as sum of the suffixes is odd or even. Now see here, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 is odd, so we have to take negative sign here. Now just calculate minor by deleting first row and second column and take the determinant of the remaining entries. Just calculate determinant. 0 into 4, 0, minus 2 into 3, 6. And remember, negative sign here. We have to take negative sign. Negative, negative, positive. So we get 6 here. So A12 is equal to 6. A12 is equal to 6. In the same way, calculate A13. A13 is equal to corresponding minor of the element that belongs to first row and third column. Now put the sign positive or negative. See here, sum of the suffixes is equal to 4, which is even. So we have to take positive sign. Now delete first row and third column and take the determinant of the matrix formed by remaining entries. Delete first row, third column. Remaining entries are 0, 1, 2, 3. And now find the determinant. We get 0 into 3, 0, minus 2 into 1, 2. So we get minus 2. A13 is equal to minus 2. Put the value. In the same way, calculate A21, A22, A23. We have to calculate A21, A22, A23. We know that cofactor of element that belongs to second row and first column is equal to minor of that element, but with positive and negative sign according as sum of the suffixes. Here, sum of the suffixes is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 is odd, so sign will be negative. Check here. 2 plus 2, 4. Sum is positive, so sign will be positive. And answer of cofactor is equal to minor of that element. In the same way, see here. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 is odd. Sum of the suffixes is odd. So sign will be negative. Multiply with minor of the corresponding element. Now just calculate the value. Minus sign as it is. Delete second row and first column. Second row, first column. And write all other entries as it is. 2, 3, 3, 1. 2, 3, 3, 4. Second row, first column. We get 2, 3 and 3, 4. Just calculate the determinant. 4 2 ja 8. Minus 3 3 ja 9. We get minus 1 into minus plus 1. So A21 is 1. In the same way, calculate A22. A22 is equal to minor of the element that belongs to second row and second column. So just take determinant of the matrix by deleting second row and second column. We get 1, 3, 2, 4. Just simplify it. 4 1 ja 4 minus 3 2 ja 6. We get minus 2. So A22 is equal to minus 2. Put the value. A22 is equal to minus 2. In the same way, calculate A23. A23. It is also equal to minor of the corresponding element. But you have to take sign positive or negative according to sum of the suffixes. Sum of the suffixes is 5. 5 is odd, so sign will be negative. Now take determinant of a matrix obtained by deleting second row and third column. Remaining entries are 1, 2, 2, 3. Just simplify it. Minus into 1 into 3, 3. Minus 2 2s are 4. We get minus 1. We get 1. So A23 is equal to 1. In the same way, calculate all other terms. In the same way, calculate all other terms. Capital A31. It is also equal to minor of the corresponding element. Take the sign positive or negative. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 is even. So sign will be positive. Delete third row and first column. Write all other entries as it is and take the determinant. We get 3 2 ja 6 minus 1 into 3, 3. We get 3. So A31 is 3. In the same way, calculate A32. A32 is equal to minor of the corresponding element. Sum of suffix is 5, which is odd, so sign will be negative. Delete third row, second column. Write all other entries as it is. Take the determinant. 1 into 3 and use negative sign also. 1 into 3, 3. Minus 0 into 3, 0. Use negative sign. We get minus 3. So A32 is minus 3. Now next, A33. A33 is equal to minor of the corresponding element. Sum of the suffix is 6. 6 is even, so sign will be positive. Now delete third row and third column. Write all other entries as it is. Take the determinant. We get 1 minus 0 into 2, 0. We get 1 here. So A33 is 1. In this way, we calculate all the cofactors of the matrix capital A, and by putting the values of all cofactors, we get adjoint of the given matrix A. This is the answer of the given question.